Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use Janitor AI for free in 2023. So first you need to make sure you're logged in, or if you don't have an account, make sure to consider registering, and you can continue with Google. Then once you are here at the home page, simply click here where it says create a character, then give it a name. You do need to upload an image for your avatar. It could be any picture. Give your character an introduction, like what kind of a personality they have. Then you have to select a gender, and the type I'll just keep it public, and rating I'll keep it safe for work, and describe their personality. You also need to type an initial message which your character will write you. And for scenario and example dialogues, you can just leave them be and click here on the create character button. Alright, your character has been created. So simply come here and click chat with my character, whatever your character's name might be, it will show up there. And that will open the panel where you can chat with your character. But currently you're not able to chat with them, and that's because your API is not ready. So to set up your API, simply click here. And you can either do this using OpenAI or Kobold AI. So let's try doing the ChatGPT version first. So how you do that is basically go to ChatGPT and you need to sign in. And here where you see API keys, click here and click on create new secret key. You can give it any name and simply copy the AI key. So simply copy this secret key and go back to Janitor AI and paste here where it says OpenAI key. Once you paste this, click on the check API key button. Now my AI has run out of quota because I have used it a lot, so do not worry about this. If you have a new account or a paid subscription, you can use your AI here. But let's try using Kobold AI. So in order to use Kobold AI, you need to head to this website and simply select a model which you would like to use, and make sure the version it says official. Cloudflare is the provider, and you don't have to use Google Drive, so I'm gonna uncheck this and simply click on this button. So it is going to start processing for you, and once it is done, you will receive the API key which you can use. So let us wait for it to finish up. Alright, so it's gonna take a while, and once it has finished processing, this is the link which we are going to use. Simply click that to open up in a new tab, and then copy it and come back to our Janitor AI and paste here where it says Kobold AI API. And there you have it. You can now chat with your AI. You can pretty much write anything you want, and that's how you use Janitor AI in 2023. Hope this video helped you. Also, you should definitely check out this video, and if you took value, let us know or give it a like and subscribe.